Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna make this cool website by using the WordPress and the Elementor. Okay, so let me show the demonstration of the project which we're gonna make in this video. So let me refresh this website from scratch, and after refreshing you can see that we have this cool animation coming here like this. Okay, so let's move to the next section where we have our this type of section. Okay, so and also we have this hover effect on this button. Also we have our hover effect on these menus links like this, and if I go here I also have this hover effect. I will show you how you can add such type of hover effect in your website. Okay, so let me go to the next section where we have our project section, where you can showcase your project like this. Okay, so and also if I click on this, I have this type of gallery type here. Okay, so let's move to the next section where we have our client section, where you can showcase all your client reviews like this, and this is the sliding, and this section is completely responsible for all the screens. Okay, and if I hover on this image, we have this cool gradient effect to the black and white mode, and also this image increase its size like this on hover. Okay, so I will show you how you can add such type of sliding to your WordPress website by using the Elementor. Okay, so after that we have our team section where you can showcase all your team members like this, and also when I hover on these images, it will have the black and white gradient effect like this, and also we have the social icons here. Okay, then after that we have our feature section where I have this type of things when I hover on this. Okay, so I will show you how you can add such type of things also. And after that we have our contact section, and also we have this button. So after clicking on this button, it will take me to the top of my website. Okay, then after that I have this type of menus hover effect here, and okay, so let me show you the mobile part of this website. So you can see that this website is completely responsible for all the screens. Suppose if I change the layout, you can see that according to the layout, the website layout is changing here, and we are now in the mobile screen, and you can see that this is totally responsive here also, and also this sliding is working perfectly fine like this. Okay, then after that we have our team section, means all the sections are responsive. Okay, so if I change the screen layout, you can see that this is changing according to the layout also. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video, and we're gonna make this whole website from scratch. Okay, so let me show the themes and the plugins which I am using here for making this website. Okay, so let me go to the themes option, and here I will show you the themes. So for the themes, I am using the official Elementor theme, the Hello Elementor theme. And okay, so let me go to the plugins, and for the plugins I am using the two plugins, Elementor and its Pro version. Okay, so after that we have to do some settings in the Elementor. So we have to go to the Elementor settings, and after that we have to go to the features option. And in the features option, what we have to do, we have to activate the nested elements, and also we have to activate the Flexbox container. We have also want to activate the grid container, swiper library. Okay, swiper library, and after that we don't want to activate anything else. So let's save the changes. Okay, then after that let's go to our settings, and here we have to go to the reading option, and here we have to choose our page which you don't have made yet. So let's go in the all pages, and here we're gonna add a new page. So let me quickly delete all the pages from here. Okay, so let's add a new page here, and after that we have to add a new page. So let me name my page a home page, and here in the default template I'm going to choose the Elementor full width, and let's publish. Okay, so after that so let's first go to our settings and go to the rating option. Here we have to choose the static page to home, and let's update the changes. Okay, so when you go here and go to the visit side, it will take you to the page. Okay, to that page. Then after that we have to go to the pages, and here we have to edit it. Okay, then after that we have to go here and choose this option, edit with Elementor. Okay, then after that we have to skip this. This is saying AI, I think, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so after that you can see that we have our header, but we don't want to show the header, so this is the new layout of the Elementor. Okay, then after that we have to go to the page settings, and from here we have to choose the Elementor canvas. Okay, so after that you can see that our header and footer is gone, and now we have a clean layout for making. Okay, so let's start the video, and we're gonna make this whole website from scratch. Okay, so for that you can see that I have this hero section here. Okay, so for making this section we have two section layout. Okay, so we have to choose the Flexbox here, and we have to choose the two section layout. Then here you have to Then here you have to go here and make it full width, because you can see that this image is completely to the corner. Okay, so we have to make this full width here and just remove all the padding. So if you want to name here, just name it here hero, and after that choose this container and also remove all the padding. And after that choose this container also and remove all the padding. Okay, then after that we have to go to this plus icon, and from here just drag and drop an image here. Okay, then after that let's upload all the images. So I will give you all the images in the video description, so you can copy along. Copy with me means you can copy and paste all the images from video description. Okay, so we have to choose this image here, so let me choose this. Okay, then after that you can see that we have this type of layout. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go to the plus icons, and from here we have to drag and drop this, and let's go to this, and here we have to change this content. Okay, then after that we have to make this black, and you can see that we have used your Poppins font, so you can use any font you want. I'm going to make it 800 bold, and let's increase its size. Okay, so let's keep it 80. Then after that you can see that we have this line below that. So for adding the line we have to add a divider here. So let me search here divider, just drag and drop this, and here we have to remove this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to add some colors. So for that I have already have the color tool here. So let me copy this color code. You can use the same color code if you want, and if you want to use another color code you can also use that. So let me save here theme 1, create. Okay, then after that we have to put it here 8, so it will give me this effect. Okay, so right now you can see that it is end-to-end corner, but here you can see that it is not end-to-end corner. So for that, what we can do, we can click on this and we have to put some left space. So let's put 200 and let's see. So this is try and catch. Okay, so this is looking good. Now what we have to do, you can see that. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to give some spacing to the top. So let me give 80 and 80. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here you can see that we have this. Now you can see that we have to match this color. Okay, so for matching this color I am gonna again choose my color tool, and let me drag. And okay, so this is not taking. Okay, so let's go here, and here we're gonna choose some random color. So let me try to match. Okay, so you can see that this is matched. Now you have to go here, and here we have to save this color to theme 2 and create. Okay, then after that you can see that I have this layout which is looking good. Now what we have to do, okay, so now you can see that we have this also. So let me do one thing, we gonna add a container here. Okay, so this container will contain the above two, mean these two. So we're gonna just drag and drop this here, and after that we're gonna duplicate this container, and after that we're gonna remove this, and we can also remove this. Okay, so this container will contain this text, so we have to just go here and drag and drop this. Now we have to uh, do this, and here we have to add this. Now we have to go to this and choose this black color. Okay, so now again we have to choose the Poppins font, so you can use any font whatever you want to add. Okay, then after that we have to make it like this 20. Okay, then after that we have to just duplicate this and duplicate this again. Then after that you can see that we have our tag brands tag. So let me quickly change the content. So we're gonna write tag brands here. Okay, then after that we have to put here, and for the latest news you have to just copy this, and here we have to write this. After that in the about us we have to click here. Okay, so these are the random text, you can use any other text also. And after that we have to make it like this, and center. Okay, like that. Then after that we have to, you can see that we have this two container, and this is our hero section. So for that we have to put it like that. Let's see. Okay, so it is looking good. Now what we have to do, we put the space between. Let's see. Okay, so it will put the space between that. Okay, so we have to put the space here. So this is the two section container, so we have to put this space between center. Let's see. Okay, so here we have to make this like this. Okay, so let me publish this here, and let me go here and we're gonna view our page. So you can see that this is almost looking good. Only thing is we want to put this below. So let me go here and let me try to add a height here, 400. And you can see that for this, if I go here and okay, so it is looking like that. Then we have to put the space between this. Okay, okay, so here we have to go this, and here you can space between. So let me quickly put 100 to this gap, so it will be like this. Okay, okay, we can also put it here more gap, so let me quickly see it. Okay, so you can see that it is now in the okay, so our I think first section is ready, so let me publish this. Okay, so let's refresh this, and after that you can see that our this section is perfectly working. Okay, so after that let's move to the next section where we're gonna make this section. Okay, okay, so for making this section, what we have to do, we have to choose another two section layout here. So let me choose a two section layout, and here we're gonna make it 1200, and go to here and remove all the padding. Then after that, let's name here about, and after that we have to go inside this container, and here you have to remove all the padding, and also we have to remove this padding. Okay, so now let me go to this, and here we're gonna choose 80. Then here we're gonna choose 80 again. After that you can see that we have this, so let me go here to the first one, go to styles, and here we have to choose the theme 2, and also let's put some padding 40 I think. Then after that we have to add a text here, so let me quickly add a text here. Then after that make things you love, so we're gonna change this text here, make things you love. Okay, then after that we have to go to the here, and here we have to choose the options, and for that we're gonna choose the 80, and this one 800. Okay, then you can see that all things are in the next line. Okay, so we can also go here and uh, you can make this capitalize. Okay, then after that what we have to do, okay, so let me increase the size a little bit more, let me keep this 90. Okay, then after that let me publish this ones. Then we have to section again, here we have to add a container at the top, and let's remove this padding. Then after that we can duplicate this container if you want. Okay, okay, then after that we have to make this, so let me go here, and here I'm gonna choose this theme too. Let's choose this secondary that is too dark, so let me choose the theme too, and we're gonna have some little dark of this like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, then let's put some gap here also 40. Then after that we have to add this text here, so let me go here, and here we're gonna add a text. I think this is too dark, so let me go here, and here let's put this a little bit like this. Okay, so then after that we have to change this content, so you can write anything whatever you want here. So let me write it here, start anything running today, and make it black completely, and here we're gonna make this poppins. Then here we're gonna make this like that. Okay, then after that we have to make the download button, so for that we have to drag and drop this button here, and here we have to write download now. Okay, and after that we have to go here, and here in the background type, okay, here in the background type we have to choose this theme one, and okay, then let's choose here 20. So for the right we're gonna choose 30, and this is also 30, and this will be 15, and this will be 15. Border radius will be 100. Okay, So now we have to just change its font. So let's make it Poppins. Okay, then after that we have to add this text. So we have to just drag and drop this text editor here, and after that we have to make this here. Then this would be like this, and here we're gonna make this black, and for this also we're gonna make this Poppins. Okay, then what we can do, we can see that we have this about where we have two sections, so we can go to the layout, and here we can use the space between this and here. Let's put some gap of 50 suppose. Okay, so you can see that it is looking good. Now only thing what we have to do, we have to make this like this, so it will be completely in the center, means at the top. Okay, so then you have to drag and drop image here, because the second section is the image. Okay, so you can see that this is looking good. Now what we have to do, we have to match this color code, I think below one. Yeah, okay, this is looking good. Okay, so you can match this. Yes. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to let's publish this ones, and after that we have to just go here and let's refresh our front end. So you can see that this section is done. Only we have to put some this below. So for that, what we can do, we can go here and we can use the spacer here. So just drag and drop this spacer below like this. So you can let's make this 350, and you can let's match it below. Okay, so you can see that it is now good, and let's publish this. After that, let's refresh our front end, so you can see that this section is also working fine. Now let's move to the next section. So let's move to the next section where we're gonna make this project section. So for that we have to put a flexible container here. Okay, then after that here also we need two section layout, so let me put this after that we have to choose this 1200, and after that in the advanced we have to remove all the padding, and after that we have to name it here projects, or we can write it here CTA, call to action projects. So always use names here, so it will be easy to understand that you are in this section. Okay, then after that we have to go to this advanced, remove all the padding, and also in the container also we have to remove all the padding. Okay, then after that choose this, go to styles, and here we have to choose the theme color. Then after that let's put edit to the top and edit to the below padding. Then after that we have to choose this, so let me copy this from your above, place this here, and after that we have to choose text like this. After that you can see that this all on the next line, so here we can put a dr tag here, and also we can put a dr tag below, so it will be in the completely in the next line. Okay, then after that we have to go here, and here we can make it like this. Okay, then after that we have to make this little bit more bigger, and for that also we're gonna make it 100. Okay, so let's make it more bigger, 120, 130, something like that. Okay, so we have to put this, and here we have 130, 120, 130 or 140. Okay, so this is a try and catch. So after that we have to put this text here. So for that we can go to this, and here we can drag and drop this, and for that we're gonna make this completely white, and after that we're gonna make this poppins, and if you want you can also make this 20 or 18. Okay, then after that we have this, and for that we have to make this at the end. Okay, so like this. Okay, okay, so then after that we have to go here and choose this like this. So this is completely in the end. Now we have to publish this. Okay, so and after that we have to make this section. So this is our project section. So for making this we're gonna put like this. And let's see, we have our project, so we have to make two sections here also inside. So for that let's name this projects name. Okay, then after that we have this empty, so let's put it here 1200, and in the advanced remove all the padding and add it to the top and it to the below. Okay, then after that we have to add the two container here. This is like this, and here we have to put another container. Okay, so for the first container we have to add a gallery here. So we're gonna use this above gallery. Okay, then after that we have to add the images, 2 3 4 5 6. So see, these are the 6 images, and then insert gallery. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to make this 3, and spacing would be 30. Okay, spacing would be 30, and after that we have to use this full, and for this we're gonna put this one on one. Okay, so then after that we have this container, and now we have to add some 200 and 200 to the lock also. Okay, so let's put it 100 and also put it 100 to this. Okay, then let's publish this once. After that you can see that we have this gradient color below. So for that we have to go to this container, go to the styles, and here go to gradient. Then here what you can do, you can make it completely black, and for the gradient one we're gonna choose this. Okay, so you can adjust it from here, how much black color you want and how much this color, and you can adjust its angle like this. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this angle for this, so like this. Okay, so let's publish this again, and here we're gonna go to this, and let's refresh this once. So you can see that we have our projects here. So you can see that how fast we can build a website by using the Elementor. Okay, so if you okay, so after that let's add this one. So for that here you can see that we have this section. So inside this section we're gonna put a section again, and let's remove all the padding of this, and also we're gonna remove all the padding of this. Then we have to go to this, and here we're gonna make this like this. So now let's go here, and here we're gonna make this white. Okay, after that we're gonna put some like this. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to just go above, and we're gonna copy and paste this. So in the Elementor you can copy and paste anything from any section of your website. Okay, so that's why it is very powerful and famous. Okay, so after that we have to add this here, and here we have to make this black again, and after that we have to go here, and we're gonna choose the Perkins font here again. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to just duplicate some text here to make it little bit like this. Okay, then after that let's copy and paste the download now button also. After that we have to just copy and paste this below. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to so you can see that right now inside this we have one section and two section. So for the one section we're gonna put it 60, and for the second section we're gonna put it to 45. So let's see. So you can see that this is looking like that. Now we have to make it at the top. So what we can do for making this, so we can choose this and go to advanced, and here we have to go to the EM option, and here you have to remove all this. Now we have to just make it at the top. Okay, let's put it -6, and let's update. Okay, so in this way you can make the overlap layout by using the Elementor Pro. So you can see that this section is also working, and also if I click on this image, so it will show me the gallery of our project where you can add your links also. Okay, so this is fully changeable whatever you want to make. Okay, so you can see that these type of sections are ready. Now let's make our client section. So for making this we have to go to this, see this, and we have to choose this here. Let's put it clients, and we have to use this 1200 full width, and remove all the padding, then add it to the top and it to the below. Okay, then after that here we have to choose the background color. So let's choose the background color for this. Here you can see that we have to choose the widget here, which is the carousel widget, CROUSL. and we're gonna drag and drop this carousel wizard. So right now you can see that we have only one slide at one time. So right now you can see that we have three slides, but we want to show here one and one. Okay, so then after that, inside the carousel we have two slides. So let's remove the second slide. So first we're gonna design our first slide, and then we're gonna duplicate it. Okay, so this is done. And after that, what we can do, we can okay, then after that we have to first add this text here. So let me go here, and we're gonna drag and drop this. Okay, then after that we have to choose this slide, choose this one and center, so make this center. Okay, then after that we have to, or you can copy, let me copy this content. Okay, this will not copy. Okay, so let's make this content only. Yeah, you can add any content here. It means the official or the real content. I'm just putting it dummy here. Okay, so let me mm, make it 25 and make it 30 for 50. Okay, then after that like this. And after that we have to go here. Here you can put it in the center. So here you can see that we have this width is smaller, but here you can see that this is completely taking the full width. So what we can do, we can put we can go to this slide, and here we can put some right and left padding if you want. So let's add 50 and 50 to the, like this. Okay, then this is looking good. Now after that the next step is we have to add this image. Okay, so for adding that we have to add a container. So let's add a container here, and after that let's make this full width and remove all the paddings. After that we have to go to this, and here we have to add an image. So let's choose this image, this one, and you can change its size like this. Okay, so you can see that on the hover we have this black and white mode here. Okay, so this is not showing here right now. Okay, if I hover, so for adding that we have to go to the hover effect, and here in the CSS filter we have to remove the full saturation color, so it will be black and white. And also here you will find so many hover transition where you can add. So I'm gonna add this rotate, or you can add the grow rotate also. So when you click on this, it will be rotate like that. Okay, then after that we have to add this. So what we can do, we can go to this, and here we can drag and drop. So inside this container we have this image and all. So let's make it center and center. Okay, so you can see that let me increase the size to 60, or we can put it little small, 58. Okay, then here we're gonna write its name. So let's write any random name here. So let me write it here, Alice Stencil. Okay, so after that we have to make it black, and here we're gonna write Poppins font. Then let's increase its font size to 25, and here also we have to decrease the font size little bit, and also we have to make this 400. Okay, so this is now looking good. And after that we have to put this text below. So for that we can copy this text above. So you can see that we have the text here, so you can copy and paste anything in the Elementor from anywhere. Okay, so like this looking good. Okay, so let me publish this one so we don't lost our changes. So you can see that we have our this type of section here. I think this is looking good, then almost similar. So what we can do now, let's go to the carousel, and here we're going to duplicate this. Okay, so after duplicating you can see that we have this. Let's update this image here only, and you can change the content according to you. Okay, so now you can see that we have this. Now we have to make this arrows and dots. Okay, so these arrows and dots, for that we have to go to the carousel option, and from here we have to go to the settings, and here just make the 3. And for the navigation we have all of this ready. Pagination is also, just you have to style it. So go to the pagination, and here we're going to choose the theme color. Let's increase its size like this to the custom position, and for the custom position we're gonna put this spacing, let's put this 50. Okay, then here we're gonna make this little bit smaller. Okay, so 12 is looking good. Okay, so let's publish this. Now we have to add these arrows. For adding the arrows, you can go to the navigation option, and here in the background type color we're gonna choose this, and for this we're gonna make this white, and also we're gonna increase this size. So now we're gonna make this arrows. So here you can see that we have our border radius, so let's make the border radius to this, and for the padding also we can add some padding like this. So let's me add to padding of 16. Okay, so and on the hover what we have to do, we have to go to the background color and we're gonna make this black, and for the color we're gonna make this white. Okay, so let's publish, and here we're gonna update this. Then after updating you can see that we have our slider working perfectly, and also when I hover on this we have this cool animation, and also our dots are working. Okay, so you can see that how okay, so we have built this slider. Okay, so let's move to the next section where we're gonna make our team section. Okay, so for making our team section, what we have to do, we can again put a container here, flexible container, and after that we're gonna put here 1200, go to advanced and remove all the padding. Okay, then add 80 to the top and 80 to the below, or what we can do, we can just go here, and from here we're gonna copy this, and after that we're gonna go to this, and here we're gonna paste the styles. Okay, so this will automatically copy all the styles, sizes and all the gradient color. Okay, and after that what we have to do, uh, let me go here, and we're gonna copy this here, and after that we're gonna paste this here. Okay, so this is a little bit smaller, so let's make this smaller, our team, and go to this, and here we're gonna make this 60 or 70. And after that we have to add this lorem ipsum. So for that let me see where we're gonna copy this. So here we have our lorem ipsum. You can put your real content here, so let's put this below, and here we're gonna make this. Okay, then after that you can put a break here if you want. So for putting the break, let me put a br tag here. Okay, so it will give me a break like this. Okay, let's publish this. Then after that we have to make this section. Okay, so this section is really great because we're gonna use your grid. So let's put this grid, and after that make it like this, and inside this grid we're gonna put a container, and also we're gonna make this like this. Then let's drag and drop an image here. Let's put an image, random image of this person which is smiling very hard. Okay, then after that we're gonna put some custom size. So let me put a custom size of 400 and 400. So let me apply. So you can see that we have our custom size here, and after that we have this text here. So for that we're gonna go here, and we're gonna drag and drop this here, and here we're gonna write any random name, Andrew Simpson. Okay, then after that we have to go to this, and here we're gonna make this white, and here we're gonna put a Poppins font here. Okay, then after that we're gonna make this 500, and after that let's duplicate this here, and here you can just write it here, web position or job post. So here's a web developer, so here we're gonna decrease its size like this. Okay, so this is looking good. Now we're gonna add a social icon here. So suppose it contains some social icons and links which we gonna want to show to the user. So we're gonna put this, and here we're gonna go to official color to the custom, and here we're gonna, for the secondary color we're gonna okay, so here we're gonna like this, and for this color we're gonna like this. So for the secondary color we're gonna put this color. Okay, and here you can see that we have some gap, so we're gonna remove the gap. And for the hover, means when we hover on this icon we're gonna put this to white like this. Okay, so this is not white, we're gonna put this one to white, and also it will grow and rotate. So when we click on this it will grow and rotate. Okay, so then what we can do, we can go to this main container, and here in the layout we can make this, and we're gonna add this here 15. Okay, so let's publish. Then after that what we can do, we can just duplicate this 2 times, and just duplicate this 2 times. Okay, then after that we have to put here, go to the advanced, and here we're gonna put 30, 50 or 100. Okay, then after that again we're gonna go to this, and here in the advanced we're gonna put it below. Let me see here, I have put padding to the top. Okay, padding to the top is 100, 200. Okay, so you can see that this is done, but we have to put some more. Let's put this 200, and this will be 400. Okay, so now you can see that this is also come below. So for that we can go to the grid, and here we're gonna put some negative EM values to make it top like this. Okay, let's publish, and let me refresh our this front end, and here you can see that after refreshing we have our team section, but we want to put some gap to this below also. So go to the grid, and here you can see that we have 3 2, so we're gonna make it 3 1. Okay, and after that we have to put some gaps, so let me put the gap of 50, and let me quickly change this content so it will be looks a little bit good. And here we're gonna choose this. Okay, then after that you can see that we also have hover effect. So for adding this is also very simple. You can just click on this, go to styles, and here in the hover effect you have to go to the CSS filter and remove the saturation. Okay, then after that we have to just add it here, grow rotate. So when you click on this, so it is growing and rotating. If you don't want to add this, just simply add the rotate function like this. Just copy and paste, copy and paste, so it will be automatically copy and paste everywhere. So let me publish this, and we're gonna refresh our front end. And after that you can see that when I click here, go here, it is automatically changing its hover effect. Okay, so this section is also done. Now we're gonna make our next section, which is our services and contact us. Move to the next section where I will show you how you can add such type of services section with this cool animation hover effect. Okay, so let's go here, and here we're gonna make a flagbox container again, and here we're gonna go to this, and here we're gonna write here 1200, then go to advanced, remove all the padding, and here add 80 to the top and 80 to the below. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we have to write here services. Then after that you can see that we have this. So what we can do, we can go to this, and here we're gonna drag and drop this, and here we're gonna write services. And for this, let's go to the layout, and here we're gonna make it center and center. So this will have this color. So let me go here, and here go to the styles, and here we're gonna add some color to it like this. And for this we're gonna make this wide, and let's go to the typography. Here we're gonna make this Poppins font. Okay, then after that we have to add this, and here we're gonna make this 500. Okay, let's make it 25 pixel. And after that we have to add this text. So for adding this text we gonna copy this from above. Okay, so let me go here, and we're gonna copy and paste. So here we're gonna write using design to improve improvement. So let's go to here, and here we're gonna change the content, and we're gonna go to styles and make it center. So for that you can see that we have in the next line after improve. So we have to just go to this, and here we add a br tag. This, and now to go to the styles, and here you can add some line height to it, 85 pixel. Okay, let's publish. Then after that we have to add this. So for this again we're gonna use the CSS grid. So let's drag and drop this, and after that we're gonna go to advanced, remove all the padding. And after that we're gonna add a container here, and we're gonna go to this and remove all the padding. Okay, then after that you can see that we have this little bit different color here. So we're gonna put this color. We're gonna go to this, and we're gonna choose this theme color, and here we're gonna make this color. Okay, then after that what we can do, we can add some padding here. So let's add the padding of 40, and after that we're gonna choose this icon. Okay, then after that what we can do, we can go to this, and here we're gonna choose any random so let me choose any random icon here. Okay, then here we're gonna make it white. Okay, here this is too much light, so let me put some dark color to this. Okay, and after that let's increase this font size. And after that you can see that we have this text here. So for that we're gonna go to this, and here we're gonna drag and drop this text below to the icon. Okay, then here we're gonna write anything strategy, or you can write anything services related to that. I'm just putting a dummy text here. Okay, then after that we're gonna make this pop-in font here also, and after that let's increase its size a little bit. Then after that you can see that we have this text here. So for this text what we can do, we can go to okay, let's go to our theme, and here we're gonna go to this, and from here also you can copy your things. So let me paste this below, and let's make it center. And for this let me put some this, and let me decrease this size a little bit. this. Okay, and after that we can go to this container, go to this. Here we're gonna make this flex box center in central, and here we're gonna remove this pattern 15. After that we're gonna add this read more button. So for that we're gonna put a button here, and here we're gonna write read more. Then go to this, and here we're gonna make it transparent, and here we're gonna make this like this. Okay, then the typography we're gonna make this Poppins, and here in the transform we're gonna make this uppercase. Okay, then after that what we can do, we can add a text that case the style in the decoration we're gonna write underline, and also let's increase the size 70 like this. Then after that we're gonna go to container, and here we're gonna write it here 13. Okay, let's publish this. And after that we're gonna go to this, and here we're gonna just duplicate. Okay, so first duplicate, you can see that I have this hover effect, so I will show how you can add this. This is very simple. You have to just go to the container, go to the styles, and here you will find the hover effect. Choose the gradient option. Here make it black here, and make it here like this. So you can see that this is working. And how much black effect you want, you can just increase and decrease from here. Okay, just change this like this, so it will put you some like this. And also if you put some angle here, you can put it like that. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's duplicate this container 3 times. And also you can see that we have this value here also, so we have to make this 3 and 1 apart. So like this, let's publish. And after that let's increase its let's refresh our front end, so you can see that our services section is also ready. Just you have to change the content according to your website. Okay, so let's move to our final section where we're going to make our contact text section, and after that I'm going to show you how you can make the header and footer. So let's move to the next section where we have our contact text section. So for making the contact text section, we have to just add a flex box here again. Okay, so after that we have to go to the here, and we have to copy and paste the styles of this. Just copy, and after that we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna paste it here, paste styles. Okay, then after that you can see that we have this. So for that, let me copy this our team text here, and we're gonna paste this text here. And after that we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna make it proper. And after that here I have to write get in touch. So let's write it here, get in touch. Okay, then after that we have to just drag and drop a form here. So let me go here, and here we're gonna drag and drop a form. Okay, so after that what we can do, okay, so after that you can see now we have to add another field. So that field will contain the mobile number of your user. So let me go here, and we can choose your number field here. Okay, then here in the label you can add mob number, number something, and here you can write enter valid mobile number. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to do again here we have to write enter your full name. Okay, let's make this 50% width, and after that here you have to write enter a valid email, also make this 50%. Okay, then this message will be this mobile number will be below. So let me see that. Okay, so mobile number will be okay, like this. Then after that we have to make this field medium, and for the button we're gonna make this medium. Okay, then after that we're gonna make it default. Okay, so let me write it here submit. Okay, so this is done. Let me go to this, and here let's put the gap of 20, and here also let's put the gap of 20. And for the fields we have to make the border with 0. Okay, border with 0, and border radius also will be 0. Okay, then after that let me go to the buttons, and here we're gonna make this button like this, change this button color. Okay, then after that border radius will be 100, something like that. Okay, much closer. And after that we have to go to the fill option, and here we're gonna make this black. Okay, then after that here we're gonna put poppins. Okay, then after that okay, this is looking good. And after that go to the content. Here in the message, here we're gonna make this 6. Okay, so let me preview it from here, and you can see that this is looking good. Just we have to put some gap between these. Let me add contact here, and after that we're gonna go to here, and we're gonna add 30, and we're gonna add 40. So let me publish this, and after that we're gonna go to this, and here let's refresh. So you can see that our contact form is also ready, and how quickly we can build this. This is the power of the WordPress and the Elementor Pro. That's why Elementor is very famous nowadays. And after that, what we have to do, we have to put this hover effect on all the buttons. So let me show you how you can put the. We have to go to the styles, and here we have to go to the button option, and here go to the hover effect, and here we have to make this black, and this is all. So here you can make this white and make this color like this, and also. Let me increase change the font here poppins, and also if you want some hover animation you can add it here bob like this. Okay, let's publish. Okay, so you can see that our website is almost ready. No, just we have to add the header and footer, and also animations are working. Here we don't have the animation, so you can put that animation here also like we have done. So I will show you. Let me. So you have to just go here and go to the hover icon, and here in the background color you have to just choose the color you want, and the text color choose it to white. Okay, and for the hover, let's put it to Bob like this. And here we have to make this like this. Okay, let's publish. And let's refresh it once, so you can see that after refreshing, if I go here we have this hover effect also. We have also added the hover effect here also, and also we have this thing is working perfectly fine. Also about these things are working. Okay, so now let's move to the next step where we're gonna build our header and footer. Okay, so for header and footer what we can do, we can go to the first appearance, and let's get some menus. Choose header and write it here final menu, create menu. Then after that we have to add this menus, home, project, testimonial, teams. So let me go here, and here we're gonna add to menu, and here in the custom links we're gonna add projects. Then here we're gonna have testimonials. Okay, then after that teams, services, and contact. So let me write it here, the teams. Then here we're gonna write it here services, and here we're gonna write it here contact. Okay, so why we are using this hash, because these are the CSS ID, and we're gonna target our these things by using that. Okay, I hope you know that. Then after that, let's save this value. Okay, then after that we have to go to the template, then open the theme builder in a new tab, and here we're gonna build our header first. So remove this all, go to this black box and choose this, and here we have to make this 1400. Choose the advanced, we can add some this one, go to styles, and here we're gonna choose the theme one. And after that we have to enter text here. Here we're gonna write here dev quest. Okay, dev quest is a random name, you can use your website name here. Okay, dev quest. Okay, to this here we have to use some so let's choose any random. Okay, so I'm choosing this. You can choose any random, or let's choose the problems only. Okay, so here we can put some space 10, or you can put 20, and here also we can put 20. Okay, 25, and here we're gonna put 25. Depth west, and here we're gonna increase its font size. Okay. And after that, what we have to do, we have to just go here, and here we're gonna choose the menu option. Just drag and drop this menu. and after that we have to, or you can rename here header. Then after that we have to go to the layout option, and here we're gonna space between center, and after that we have to copy the button. So I will show how you can copy the button. Just copy this, and here we have to do this. So you can see that we can copy and paste anything from anywhere, and even from your different website also in Elementor. Okay, so I hope you know that. Then after that we're gonna put some here and here on the hover. On the hover, uh, I want to make this like this now. Okay. After that, let's go to this. Here we have to choose the background, and it will be super right. There will so many animation you can choose it from. Let's choose this buttons and make it uppercase. So let's first change this color so it will be visible to us. And after that, let's put some 15. Okay, so here for the hover pointer color, we're gonna make it white, and for this we're gonna make this, and for the active we're gonna make this white, and for this we're gonna make this, and also for the border radius we're gonna make this 100. Okay, and for the space between we're gonna make this 20. Okay, so let's publish. In the here we have to put the condition here for the entire site. Let's save and so. So this header will be visible in the entire site. So right now, if you refresh our page, you will see that we don't have our header because we have to change here Elementor full width. So let's go to this, and here we're gonna change this to Elementor full width. Okay, then after that we have to just click on the publish, and here you can see that I have this title here. Okay, this is coming, but I don't want to show this title here. Okay, so we have to choose Elementor full width here. So let's wait for it to refresh, and this is done. So let me put it to publish. After that, just refresh our front end, and here you can see that our header is coming like this perfectly. Now one more thing we have to do, we have to make this header sticky. So right now you can see that when I scroll, this header is sticky at the top. Okay, so for that we have to go to our header, and from here go to advanced, and here in the motion effect, choose that the top, and then publish. So let's refresh this, and here you can see that it is totally working fine. Okay, then at last we're gonna build our footer. So for making the footer, what we can do, we can go to the theme builder again, and we're gonna add a footer here. So let's add a footer. Okay, so you can see that the forward footer is really simple. So we have to just delete this all, and we have to make this. You can make the footer more also. Means you can add your own designs and make a footer. So go to this, and here we're gonna go to this. Okay, then after that we have to go to this, and here we have to search for icon list. So drag and drop that, and here we're gonna write copyright 2024. That's first. All right, result. And now in this here copyright, we're gonna do this copyright like this, and after that we have to go to the icon, and here we're gonna make it white. Everybody have to go to the settings. Here's text settings. Here we're gonna choose the pop-ins, and here we're gonna make this 500. So let me go to the text. Here we're gonna make this white. Okay, then after that go to the icons. Here we're gonna increase this icon size. For the container layout, here we're gonna make this in the center and center. Okay, then after that we have to go to the text. Here we can make the 600 bold. Okay, so let me complete. We have to choose the entire site again, and let's save and close. Then let's refresh our front end. After refreshing, you can see that we have our beautiful tutorial here like that. Okay, so our whole website is ready. All our header and footer and all the sections are ready. Just we have to add this links here. So let's add this links. So remember we have given some CSS ID to that. So after that we have to put that CSS ID here. So one more thing is left side we don't have add this footer button. So let's quickly go to the footer. Here we're gonna add a icon here, and let's drag and drop this icon here, and drag and drop this below. Here we're gonna put a top arrow. Okay, here we're gonna put an arrow, and let's choose this. Then after that we have to go to this and make it black, and after that we have to make this position fixed, and here we're gonna make this 20 and 20. Okay, then after that in the vertical condition we are gonna make it 100. Okay, and here you can see that we have to uh, when we click it will take me to the top, so we have to enter at here. So let's publish, and after that let's go to the mobile version of 2. In the mobile version you can do one thing, you can go to this and make it center, and for the icons we can increase the size little bit more, so it will be look like this in the mobile. Okay, let's publish. Then here you can see that if I go and hover here, that means reload here. So you can see that we have our social icons, and also we have this button here. But when I click on the button, it will not working because we don't put the CSS ID here. So let me quickly put all the CSS ID to all the sections. So for the hero section, we have hero. Okay, so for the hero section, the CSS ID is 0, and for this we don't have. For this, let's put the hero section project CSS ID. Projects, and after that here we have our testimonials, so we gonna put it here, testimonials. Here we have our team section, teams. Then after that we have our here we have our services, and after that here we gonna add the CSS ID for contact. Okay, so in the CSS ID we're gonna write it here, contact. Publish, and let's refresh this here. After that, suppose if I click on this, okay, so click on this, it will take me to the top. Same for the project, testimonial, team, services, and contact. Both are working now. Okay, this is not visible in the below because we have the black color here and black color here also. So you can change the color of the icon. Okay. Okay, so this all sections are ready. Just we have to put some animation and mobile part. Start the video, and after that we're gonna put some animations and the mobile responsiveness in our website. Okay, so for that I'm going to show you some how you can do the phone responsiveness of your website. Okay, so let me go to the first section, and here I will show you only the first section, that how you can do the responsiveness of your website. So, and I'm not going to show all the uh, I'm not gonna show all the section because it will make the video long. And okay, so let me go to the first section, and here you can see that I have this section, and for making this responsive, what we can do, you can see that I have this, so I have put some space. So we have to just remove that padding, and we have to just click on this text, and after that we have to go to the styles, and from here we have to uh, increase and decrease its size according to you, and you can see that. And also you can see that we don't have gap here, so we're going to go to this main hero section, and here you can see that we have 80 to the top and 80 to the below, so we have to put some padding to the 20 to the right and 80 to bottom and 80 to the end, like this. Okay, then after that you can see that in this container we have put some in the layout. If you go to the layout, you can see that we have this 100, so I'm gonna just put it 50, and you can see that we have done the responsiveness of this. And in the same way you can make the responsiveness of this also, just decrease its size. So let us go 50, and also we have to go to the about section and go to the add here, and here also we're gonna make at 80 to the here 20, then 80 again, and 82. It's like this. Okay, so in this way you can just change the things here, and you can do the responsiveness like this. So if I put 0, so like this. Okay, so in this way you can make the responsiveness of our screen. So let me give and make this responsive for this of this project section also. So here you can see that we have 100 to the right and 100 to the left. So we're gonna just remove this, and let's click on the project main, and here we have to just add 80 to the top, and here 20, then here again 80, then here again we can write 20. Okay, so here you can see that. So in this way you can make the responsiveness of all your screens. So I am not gonna make all so I don't want to make the video long. So after that I will show you how you can put the animations. So when you scroll to any part of the section, it will come with an animation like this. So let me put the animation in the first section only. Okay, so for that we have to just click on the particular section or the thing where we're gonna put the animation. Suppose I want to put the animation in the text, so we have to choose the text. After that we have to go to the advanced, and here in the motion effect, then we have to go to the entrance animation, and here you will find so many animations you can choose from. I'm just put zoom in, and I'm gonna add some delay time here, 200 milliseconds, and after that let's put the animation here also. Suppose I want to put this animation in the whole section at one time, so we can go to here and you can put here slide in left, and this will come after 200 seconds. And also we're gonna put the animation to this image, so just choose the image, you go to entrance animation, and here also you can make it zoom in, or I think we can make it slide right, and this will come after 2 4, and this will come after 600 seconds, and after that at last we're gonna put this animation to the line. So motion effect, and here we're gonna go to, and here we're gonna put it slide right like this, and this will come in at the last at 800 milliseconds. So let me save this, and let's refresh our front end, and let me go to the top and refresh it again. So here you can see that this is coming like this. Okay, so in this way you can add animations and mobile responsiveness in your website. So I hope you like this type of videos, and if you like our channel, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you like our video, please share our videos with your friends, and like and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Okay, so like and subscribe our video with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.